It's 4th October 2013 and that's our GCSE Geography field trip to Malham in the Yorkshire Dales National Park.
This is the main paid and slow car park on the edge of the village to manage huge number of cars that pass through Malham.
This is Malham. It's a very small village but a honeypot site. Tourists flock here to see Malham Cove, Janet's Foss and Gordell Scar.
This is Pennine Way. This footpath is used by many thousands of tourists every year, so it has to be carefully managed to prevent footpath erosion.
Here you can see that the footpath is made of limestone grit and gravel. It is very hard wearing, well drained and looks very natural.
People are encouraged to walk on the path and keep off the grass. It has been made wide enough for several people to pass by.
This is a spring or resurgence. This means I'm standing on impermeable rock.
There is lots of evidence of weathering processes. Over there you can see a scree slope which is formed from fragments of rock which are broken off due to freeze-thaw weathering.
Evidence of biological weathering is visible on the cliff face. There are plants growing in the joints, bedding planes and ledges of the cliff. Their roots weaken the limestone.
This is Malham Cove. It is an amphitheatre-shaped cliff formed from Carboniferous limestone. Carboniferous limestone is a sedimentary rock. It was formed under a shallow tropical sea from deposits of sea creatures and sediment laid down over millions of years.
Over time the layers of deposits became compacted and cemented to form rock.
Looking at Malham Cove, it is possible to see the horizontal bedding planes. These are the lines of weakness between the layers of rock.
It is also possible to see ledges on the cliff face. This is where some layers of the limestone are more resistant than others. The black streaks on the cliff are lynchings that were blackened by coal dust in the atmosphere.
Malham Cove is a waterfall. Just after the last ice age, huge volumes of meltwater flowed over the frozen limestone, creating valleys in this waterfall.
This is the resurgence at the bottom of Malham Cove. Here water comes out of the limestone. This stream flows away from Malham Cove on an impermeable rock.
The water that comes out at Malham Cove has come from Smelt Mill's sinkhole close to Malham Tarn.
There are two sinkholes close to Malham Tarn, Smelt Mills and water sinks. Tests were made with dye in the water to work out which sinkhole had its resurgence here.
Here we are at the top of Malham Cove. On this exposed limestone, it is quite clear to see the horizontal bedding planes and vertical joints.
From the top of Malham Cove we can see the famous limestone pavement, and in the distance you can see the exposed limestone cliffs and scars.
This is limestone pavement. During the last ice age, glaciers scraped the overlaying soil and the exposed limestone was then able to be processed.
Limestone pavement has flat slabs called clints. And between the clints are called grikes. The grikes are basically widened joints in the limestone.
Limestone is a calcium carbonate and rainwater is a weak carbonic acid.
When the slightly acidic rainwater falls on the limestone, it dissolves with an unused melt. This process is known as carbonation. Over time, this creates pitting in the clints and runnels. It also widens the joints to form grikes. In the grikes, it is very sheltered. There is moisture in a basic soil that helps the plants grow. This is Hart's tongue. Does it wobble?
This is the dry valley at Watlows. During the last ice age, limestone was frozen, which meant it was impermeable.
The huge volumes of meltwater produced as the ice melted carved this valley in the still frozen rock. Now the limestone is permeable and the valley has been left dry.
The water that carved out this valley at Whatleys flowed over the massive waterfall at Malham, eroding it back to form the cliff we see today.